Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Horomau. There is a Ashirwad colony, right 100 meters from Horomau main road. So the vehicles which are moving, that is Horomau main road. It is just walkable and 400 meters from outer ring road. From this Horomau main road, it is just 300 meters outer ring road. So very prime location. So there is a massive apartment for sale. So this is the beautiful apartment. There are total 12 units. So it is corner property apartment. So one side facing is south facing and other side it is east. So this is south facing road and this is east facing road. So here dimension it is 45 and inside it is 73, sorry. So total it comes around 3000 change. I'll show you the total area. So it is on the south it is 45 and on the east it is 73. So there are total 12 units and one commercial. So this consists of lift, then generator and all the basic amenities what is required for a apartment. Now coming to the floors, ground floor you have one commercial, then parking, lift, then here you have generator, then TC. This is on the ground floor. And first floor you have 1 2 BHK and 3 1 BHK. Second floor 1 2 BHK, 3 1 BHK. Third floor 1 2 BHK and 3 1 BHK. So 9 1 BHK and 3 2 BHKs. Total 12 units. So let's go inside and have a look. Just walkable from the Horomau main road, 100 feet road. So this is on the east facing road. This is the entrance, front elevation. So all the flats have got very good ventilation due to corner property. So this side it is 2 BHK property. Then 1 BHK is 2 1 BHK is this side and other side it is 1 BHK. So 3 1 BHK and 1 2 BHK on each floor. So this is the front elevation on the eastern side. As south facing I have shown you the facing. So let's go inside and have a look. So you have sliding gate. One side you have normal gate. So this is sliding gate. So this is the parking area. Rainwater harvesting. It's very beautifully planned apartment. This side you have staircase and this side you have lift. So this was the bore and here you have sump. Where it went? So this is the sump. So both Kaveri and borewell is there. So you have total parking for all the floors. Separate two-wheeler parking and car, and this is another entry from here. Two entries, two gates, and this is the lift. Six-person, 408 kg. So let's go to first floor. So this is first floor. So here you have 2 BHK. This is north facing. And that is east facing 1 BHK. And this is east and this is west 1 BHK. 1 BHK 1, 1 BHK 2, 1 BHK 3 and 2 BHK 1. So let's look at this 1 BHK model. So this is 1 BHK east facing model. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is the foyer. So here on the left hand side you have common washroom, then bedroom, then here balcony and here one kitchen. And this is the living area. So this is the washroom. So this flat is having 2 balconies. So this is one bedroom, 1 BHK model. So similar, all the BHK, all the other 2 are similar, as it's total 3 1 BHKs. So this is the balcony. This is the bedroom, 1 BHK model. And this is the kitchen, modular kitchen. Interior is being done. And here you have a balcony, good wide balcony. So let's go to the other floors. So quick view. This is the living area, washroom, 1 bedroom and balcony, kitchen, foyer, east facing entrance. So similar, all other 2 1 BHKs are similar. So that is the one model which I have shown now. So this is 1 east and 1 west, 1 BHK, and this is 2 BHK. So each floor total 4 units, 1 2 BHK, 3 1 BHK. So first floor I have shown, second floor similar setup. Two BHK, 1 BHK, 1 BHK 2. This is the third floor. Same 2 BHK, 1 BHK, 1 BHK. So total 9 1 BHKs and 3 2 BHK. This is terrace entry. This is the lift room. On the tank also you have. This is for ventilation shaft. So we are on south facing road. So this is the south facing road. As you can see from here, just that is the Horamavu main road. Right near the Horamavu main road. Just walkable from here, and from there 300 meters you have outer ring road. So it is a very well prime location. And this side east facing road I will show. So this is the east facing road. So this is the corner property. Total it is 45 by 73 dimension southeast corner, with ground floor commercial plus 9 1 BHKs and 3 2 BHKs in a very prime location, Ashirwad colony. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.